MapReduce, the input format will be in form of a input splits. All the data will be partitioned into a chunk of data called as input splits, and so then the map will be processing this each input split further, and this input split mainly consists of records as well as key value pairs, and basically this is a Java abstract class which will show the length of the each input split and the location of the particular split. So like there are some of the input formats, basically text input format, key value, sorry. These are the input formats: file input format, combined file input format, and whole file input format. Basically, this is a basic interface of input format which will have the data, which will be having all the data source, and it will be generating each file into further splits, and which will be passed to the mapper function. But there may be a situation where we'll be requiring small data files to be processed. In such a case, combined file input format will be coming to use, and this file format will map many files into small packs, and which will create a large data format for each Hadoop cluster to be processed. And there may be scenarios like where we will require the complete file to be accessed for a mapper. In that case, we will be going for whole file input format. So this whole file input format does not have any keys, and the entire content of the file will be the input for the whole file input format, and that will be further processed by the mapper function.